Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today, a lot of you have been requesting to play this because I haven't been playing it much. Animal Jam, and it's Halloween soon, Halloween just around the corner. So, of course they've decorated Animal Jam for Halloween. So today's gonna be a really fun day for Animal Jam people like me that just love Animal Jam. We're gonna see if we can trade for some rare, Halloween items if anybody somehow found them, but they're not in the shop anymore. So yeah. Oh, candy. Take a candy. Okay. So, I'm going to trade for this guy. He only has crap on tree. Okay. I will play this real quick. I have to have a pet. So, I have to have a dog pet. That's one of the specific pet games you have to have. A specific pet. It looks hilarious. You have to bring. You have. I have a. What the frick? I have a pet puppy right there. Okay. Guess you can't play that. I'll just change it back to that. And I'll play this. Super Sword. I'll play easy. I'm amazing at this game if you didn't know. Okay. I guess that's fair. It's not really paper, but no.
Eat before it gets cold. I'm stuck in your screen count. Nothing new. I think I like it new.
I'm not gonna try that crap again.
You're happy?
Sorry about the people talking in the background. I told them not to talk, but it looks like they escaped, and now they're talking. Let's see if this is actually a good masterpiece. That's an amazing masterpiece. I will like that, and I do want to buy that. I will trade rare pigtails. Yeah. 2 rare item Mondays. That's crap, but let's see if they like it. That guy's a doofus. Hey, new Jammer. You got any crap? Nope. He doesn't know about that. I'm expecting this guy to have some crap. Maybe. Nothing on his freaking grade, okay. Trying to trade with you. That's just annoying. You take one. Actually, I'm gonna play Falling Phantoms. To celebrate for Halloween, I'm gonna play Falling Phantoms. I actually haven't played since the update came out, and that was maybe a week or two ago, so... Waiting for other jammers. Guys, I'm sorry if there's noises in the background and, like, the radio in the background. I guess my mom and my mom's friend are listening to the radio in the background. But they're not in the room with me, they're in the room across from this room. I'm playing in the living room on, Mac. These guys are just having a bad day. They're not even moving. Oh, there we go. They needed a little shake. Holy crap. That was so close. How did I not get hit? I'll take that as a good game. And he gets hit. And he's hit. I was third place. 60 gems. Not bad. Guys, if you like me playing these games, I will play more playing mini games. If you want, I can do like a whole mini game Monday. How about this? I'll do mini game Mondays on my channel where I just get on Animal Jam and play a bunch of random mini games. So today's Tuesday, but I'll do a mini game Tuesday just to start the tradition off. It's gonna be a mini game Monday. Single player game. You guys, I freaking love this game. You can get so many freaking gems from it if you're good at it. How the frick did that happen? I'm pretty good at this game. No, I'm not happy with that. I am not satisfied. Not satisfied with that. Also, guys, you should be appreciating this because I'm doing this like before. Totally eating, Mom. Hey, I have to do videos, you know, that's my job. I get 2 cents per view. So yeah, guys, I get 2 cents per view, so make sure to watch the video. Make sure to share it with your friends. Now I will play Gem Ball. My nemesis. Could have gotten a 3, but I'm satisfied with it. Do it. Oh yeah, my dudes. It's my nemesis, but I'm actually kind of good at it. I mean, see, look at that. Bonus 75 gems, my dudes. I'm at 87 gems. So nice. Oh, I see. It bounces off there, and then it slants there, so that's a guaranteed 3 gems. If I could just get another 75 bonus, that would be great. That would be great. Another 75 bonus. Okay. 75 bonus. I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. Yes, I would like to play again. Get it. I can start out with 1 gem. Yes. 75 bonus. No. Guys, comment down below if this is boring or not. Just watching me play Gem Ball. Honestly, I don't get many comments on my videos. $75 gem bonus? No. Oh, and now if I hit it, it's a 75 gem bonus because I hit it once. Holy crap, my dude. You're a cheapskate. Now, let's play Mari Says. Oh my god. Also, guys, comment down below if you want me to buy some more arcade machines in my den. If you are Animal Jam lovers. Guys, I actually think I'm going to end the video here, but guys, that has been AlexCOS. So yeah, peace out and see